Hello, nice day, don't you think? My name is Gregor Mendel. I was born in 1822 in Austria, where I became a monk. In my life, I discovered the basic principles of heredity and genetics. My observations became the foundation of the modern genetics and study of heredity. Many people consider me as the father of genetics. Around 1854, I began the research about the transmission of the hereditary traits in plant hybrids. At the time of my studies, I was generally accepted the fact that the hereditary traits of the offsprings of any species were merely the diluted blending of whatever traits were present in the parent. It was also commonly accepted fact that over generations, a hybrid would revert to its original form. The implication of which suggested that a hybrid could not create new forms. However, the results of my studies were often skewed by the relatively short period of time. There were several factors that influenced my theories, such as society. My interest in science, previous work with other scientists, but mainly religion. Because as soon as I joined the monastery, I became devoted to religion and believed in God was the creator of life, which challenged Darwin, another evolutionist of the time. I chose to use bees for my experiments due to their many distinct varieties, and because offsprings could be quickly and easily reproduced. I cross-fertilized plants that had clearly opposite characteristics: tall with short, smooth with wrinkle, those containing green seeds with those containing yellow seeds, etc. After making the experiment, I discovered that when I crossed two different purebreds varieties together, the results were not a blend. Only one feature will be expressed: tall and short people were crossed. All offsprings developed into tall growing plants. Second, when I self-fertilized the offsprings, the resulting progeny expressed the two different traits in a ratio of 3:1. Okay.
From these findings, I drew the following conclusions. Organisms have discrete factors that determine its features. These factors are now recognized as genes. Furthermore, organisms possess two versions of each factor. These versions are now recognized as alleles. Each gamete contains only one version of each factor. Sex cells are now recognized to be haploid. Parents contribute equally to the inheritance of offspring as a result of the fusion between randomly selected egg and sperm. For each factor, one version is dominant over another and will be completely expressed if present. And after analyzing the results, I propose the following laws. Law of segregation. When gametes form, alleles are separated so that each gamete carries only one allele for each gene. Law of independent assortment. That segregation of alleles for one gene occurs independently to that of any other gene. And the principle of dominance. Recessive alleles will be masked by dominant alleles.
Yeah.